Hi, bye. Welcome to the show.
Alexi, what are we doing today?
A scavenger hunt.
We're doing a scavenger hunt. We're gonna do a scavenger hunt where?
Over there.
Over there. We're gonna do a community scavenger hunt. So that means we're gonna go on our bike and we're gonna bike around our town and we're gonna look for things on our scavenger hunt list. And Alexi, what are you gonna do when you find something that's on your scavenger hunt list?
I'm gonna take a picture.
You're gonna take a picture of it. So it's a photo scavenger hunt. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Zoe, we're gonna do a scavenger hunt.
Oh, look.
Scavenger hunt. First item on our list, Alexi, is a three-way stop sign. Do you know where a three-way stop sign is?
Right there.
Right there. Okay, you got your camera ready?
I took my picture.
You took the picture. Right on. Next up on our list is the river. Where's the river? Point to the river.
Back there.
Back there. Okay, let's go check it out. Alexi, do you see the river yet? Where's the river? There. Okay, get off your bike. Quick, 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 because the bugs are going to be really bad. We're coming up to the next thing on our list. Do you know what that is? No? It's a water pump station. That's the building that pumps the water from the river up into the water tower. Do you know where the water pump station is? Yes, it is. All right. Alexi says she's going to get a closer look. No, not the fire hydrant, Alexi, the building here. Yeah, the building. Why don't you get a picture of the fire hydrant too? Did you get a good picture, Alexi?
Yeah.
Can you take a nice picture of the mailbox? Yay! Where are we, Zoe? What place is this? Gymnastics. We're at gymnastics, eh? Library gymnastics. This is our community center. And Alexi's taking a photo. Did you get a good photo?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. That's our library. We love our library. There's the fire station. Alexi's taking a picture of the fire station. Okay, we're gonna take a look at your pictures afterwards.
Yeah.
You excited to look at your pictures? All right, Lexi, where are we?
At soccer.
At soccer. And what else is at soccer?
There's a pipe.
There's a park, and what else?
This school.
A school. So here we are. There's a school, the playground, and the soccer field.
And then also a sand pit.
A sand pit, and there's a basketball court, and a baseball field, lots of stuff. Okay, take your picture. Okay, Alexi, where are we?
At the grocery store.
We're at the grocery store. Right on. Look, 50% blowout. Where are we?
Coffee shop.
The coffee shop. You gonna take a picture of the coffee shop? Go find a photo? Oh, you did it already?
Yeah.
You're so fast. Lexi, did you have fun on our photo scavenger hunt?
Yeah. All we forgot is my favorite road.
Your favorite road? We're heading there right now. Our last thing, right?
Yeah, thing on our list.
Is this the last thing on our list?
Yeah, this is my favorite street.
This is Alexi's favorite street, so she wanted this on her list. Okay, Alexi, take a picture of your favorite street. Alexi likes this street because it's so smooth and it's nice to bike on. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to get notifications when we upload our latest videos.
Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave us a comment. We'll see you next week for more activities, adventures, and lifelong learning.
Bye!